So you want to upgrade your couple's RV into something with a few more luxury touches without breaking the bank? Your boy's got you. Hey, what's up? It's Chris Young. Welcome to the beautiful Keystone Coleman Legacy 2115 RK. This coach is not even 26 feet long and is a couple's upgraded dream. So if you've had that first RV and now you're saying, Chris, we want something laminate, we want something with good construction, we want something that's going to last. More importantly, we're ready for those luxury touches, but we got kids, we got bills, I gotta buy food. I just bought a brand new pair of Nikes that's gonna break my bank, and I don't wanna break the bank on my RV. This is where the 2115 RK is gonna come in. Let's start in the rear of this gorgeous little couples coach with a ton of open space. The upgrades that the Coleman folks put in here, from the oversized fridge to the giant TV to the actual residential size toilet, are going to stand out, especially if you've had an RV before. On the off-camp side is where I have my 3-burner cooktop, which is recessed, and the glass cover. Some of the Keystone is always thinking about how can I make that camping experience better? How can I increase your enjoyment? So they do things like give you bigger windows, actually give you a butcher block behind your cooktop so you can store your knives without having to put them in a drawer or have them knocking around, because you don't have that at home. You shouldn't have it on your home away from home either. Then add that to the fact that instead of giving you a conventional oven, you have the microwave, convection oven, air fryer combo. Love how we've advanced to that point. All of my drawers, solid wood extension, glazed, upgraded, has more capacity as far as weight goes, and a full extension on drawer guides. I got myself a nice pot and pan drawer underneath. Then I got the 16 cubic foot fridge freezer combo right here. Man, love the space, love the flow, love the layout. And even with this being a couples coach that only has one slide, look at the space and flow that I have here in the back. I can be cleaning the dishes, solid surface countertop with the undermounted stainless steel sink and a high-rise pull-down sprayer faucet, actual blackout shades with blade lighting and frosted glass inlays here, enjoying me actually cleaning the dishes. Wobble, 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 which I don't do, by the way. And my buddy Ryan could be over here cooking up my grilled cheese sandwich, and I'm loving the fact that he's not hitting me like he does every time I film an RV. But I'm not mad about it, because when I want to get away, I got myself the little solid pocket door right here that's even closed at the top, and an elongated porcelain toilet just like what I have at home. Add that to the fact that my shower, the nice surround, the huge skylight which encompasses pretty much the entire space, my upgraded Oxygenix shower head, which if you don't know about these, you get more water pressure, less water usage. Absolutely love that. My tanks on this one are 54-gallon fresh, 34-gallon gray, and 34-gallon black. So even for a small coach, a couples coach, those are really good tank sizes, even if you want to go off-grid. I got the mirrored medicine cabinet right there. I got the pressed surface countertop for my vanity, stainless steel bowl. Got space underneath for my linens, space on the side for my linens, towel hanger, more space for whatever, tankless water heater, inverted outlet, max vent fan. So you have a 15K BTU AC on this, and you got a 20K BTU furnace on this, which, by the way, if you don't know how they do their ducting, they have thermoplastic duct joiners in their ducts. Those are, well, because ducts are pretty much, they can crush, they can collapse. And if you do that, that can also cause soft spots in your floor. The fact that they put these duct joiners in there, they're practically indestructible. That gives you much more support. More importantly, you're gonna get airflow versus when the duct collapses and you don't get the airflow. But they added max vent fan here and max vent fan here. If you're cooking something hot and you're taking a hot shower, these are both gonna move a foot of air per second. The smells and the steam are gonna be absolutely gone. Come over here. Every bit of space inside the 2115 RK is maximized, either for storage or for your enjoyment. Love the fact that I got space right here. I got my oversized dinette. Wow, these cushions are comfy. Kev, good job, man. These are plush. Very good job. My table is also not mounted to the wall. More importantly, I don't have the legs. where I have to set the legs and then you set the table down. I can pull this out, use it as a table over here for my chairs if I need to do some work. I can take it outside if it's nice and use it as a table under my awning. I got my giant 65-inch TV on the swivel arm right here. I got the blackout shade, the large window for light and breeze. What else you need, man? Chris, we'd like to sit and chill and watch that TV without being in a dinette. Oh, you know what? Good call. Good call, Ernie. I appreciate you mentioning that. Because I'm going to come over here to my Thomas Paine pillow top recliners nestled in the slide where, I mean, dude, I could actually see that TV from 2 RVs over, but I got a great view right here. Huge windows, wood balances, more blackout shades, 5-inch console with cup holders, not only in the middle, but on the edges. So if I want to kick out, watch a little bit of my Bears losing again, I could do that. Now I just made myself upset again because my Bears suck so bad. They can't buy a win even if they played a high school lacrosse team. So y'all take a minute, then I'll show you the bedroom. I'm okay right now. By the way, I was wrong about the TV size. That's actually a 55-inch because with the Colemans, you either get 55 or 65, and I remember we're under 26 feet, so that's going to be the 55-inch, so I apologize about that. But I got my Bluetooth entertainment center right here with multi-zone. Absolutely love that. And I got my master control system for my lights, my water pump. I can run out my slide, run out my awning, check all my tanks and sizes. And once again, 54, 34, and 34. Those are really good sizes for a coach this small. I mean, that's actually really nice. Then add that to the fact that I got a king-size bed. Right here with mirrored wards on both sides, inverted outlets on both sides, plus USB charging, frosted glass, and my storage up above, which is also strut supported. Great little roller spot here for my bags, my shoes, whatever you might want to slide under there. But you also have some lined storage underneath with gas struts. What I like about this is this could technically be your armoire, really. You could fold your shirts, fold your socks, your underwear, however you want to do, and put it right there. And the inverted outlets, if you don't know, some of the manufacturing things that Keystone does, they had Solar Flex a few years ago, where you'd get a solar panel on top, inverter if you wanted it. Some of them came with it. You can upgrade to like 600 watts and more. And you can actually power things and charge your cell phone from the sun, which is pretty awesome. So anytime you see those inverted outlets, that's what that means. That just kind of helps increase that camping experience, but also increases the longevity of your batteries. The only negative to this coach is if you are looking for separation of space between sleeping, dining, cooking, you don't really have it in this coach. But that's why I said it's a true couples coach. So for families, I'm sorry. If you made it this far, first off, thank you. But probably not the RV for you unless you're okay with, you know, the parents snoring, the kids snoring, everybody sawing the logs, everybody's happy and healthy. But from the upgraded construction, the foam core insulation, the Key TV multi-source connection, the color-coded wiring, the thermoplastic duct joiners, the fit and finish that Keystone uses for the Coleman line is probably one of the main reasons why it's America's #1 selling travel trailer brand. And the layouts kind of speak to what people look for. Floor plan and price are pretty much the main things you're looking for when you're looking for your RV. And for a couple that want some opulent touches and everything you'd have at home in your little vacation home, the 2115RK is crushing it in my opinion. But leave me some comments down below and let me know what you think and what you like about it. Now let's go outside and see what we have there. Apparently I can't get my numbers right. The TV is a 50-inch LED TV. I keep making your TV bigger and then taking it away. That's what I do. Welcome to being a kid of mine. Now, right up front on the outside of our 2115RK is going to be our powered tongue jack. Right behind us is going to be our twin 20-pound LP tanks, all seated on the oversized frame. Now, since we have stepped up to the Legacy in the Coleman line, you're going to get a few additional touches like the bigger frame. You got the one-piece heated and enclosed underbelly on this. I love how Keystone puts the Gigi box on their RVs. This to me is awesome because you do have the solar panel up top, you got the solar charge controller in the pass-through, and you are inverter prepped on this bad boy too. So if you want to go off the grid, talk to your specialist at Camping World and say, hey, how do I get the inverter? How do I get the lithium batteries? You know, the whole nine. Maybe you want to upgrade the panels. See if they can work that in for you. But this will allow you to cut the power off and still trickle charge the battery, because most RVs that don't have that still has a draw on the battery which can drain it. Don't want you running out of juice when you're off, especially when you're off grid. Now, beautiful fiberglass siding, beautiful painted fiberglass front cap right here, magnetic anti-slam luggage doors with the covered hinges. You know, I'm huge on that. And finished off pass-through storage. Like how I got my mushroom light there. Right there is a good shot of that awesome timber core construction on the Legacy. Power stabilizer jacks. I do have the solid steps with the adjustable legs. Now, leave me some comments down below about these. These are new. I like how they're lighter. I like the grip on them. I even like the look. I'm just worried about the chipping and the fading. If I'm off base, leave me a comment down below. But I love the adjustability of these legs, because it's not that pull pin system. You just pull the trigger and click, 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 click. So if you're on uneven surfaces, your stairs will actually be even. Very nice touch. Oversized grab handle for my tempered glass door. I do have the 80% tint on my sealed safety windows all the way around. The Legacy got the upgraded aluminum rims right there on the Dexter Easy Lubes, and the extra wide berth is pretty nice too, because that's going to help me with that towing, making it a little bit smoother. Marine grade speakers on the outside, oversized awning with the LED light strip, rear stab jack, as well as my 4x4 sewer hose storage there. Even like how that's kind of offset under the bumper, because we're keeping under 26 feet. That's all like that. Spare tire mounted on the back, ladder prep as well as rear camera prep, and of course outside shower with hot and cold. Now I can't get over to the other side, but that's where you'd see your terminations for your tanks, 54, 34, and 34, as well as your black tank flush over there. But you're saying, Chris, we're ready for an upgrade. You know what? This is it. Don't break the bank. Break your neighbors. Let them know you got the better RV now. It's the Coleman Legacy 2115 RK. We're coming in at 25 feet 11 inches, roughly 5,400 pounds dry. And this is a 3-sleeper, but it's a couple's coach. I just don't think it's right for families. There's no separation of space. But leave me some comments down below and let me know what you think. And while you're at it, please click like, subscribe, and notify, so the next time we do one of these, you're the first one to get it. I'm Chris Young for Camping World. Thanks for joining me for the Keystone Coleman Legacy 2115 RK. I'll see you soon.